Your Excellencies, Your Royal Majesty, Your Royal Highnesses, Chairman of Members, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to read the citation of Otunba Dr. Michael Olatunbalogun, CON, the founder, First City Group, the Otunba Tuwase of Ijebu Land, the Olori Oba of Ijebu, the Aṣojú Ijebu Crescent, the Baba Oba of Ijebu, and the Aṣojú Oba of Ijebu Mushin. Otunba Balogun was born at Ijebu Ode in Ogun State on the 9th of March 1934. He had his second education at the Kudi College, Yaba, Lagos, where he passed out with high distinction in 1952. He studied at the London School of Economics, LSE, where he read law from 1956 to 1959 with high honor and was called to the English bar in December 1959. He was the first Nigerian to receive special training in legal drafting in Whitehall and the City of London. On his return to Nigeria, he served as a crown counsel in both the Ministry of Justice of the old Western Nigeria and subsequently as assistant parliamentary counsel in the Federal Ministry of Justice in Lagos. Later, he was the first principal counsel and public secretary to the Nigerian International Development Bank, NIDB. In 1973, he was appointed director in charge of the operation of Icon Securities Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of NIDB. He resigned in December 1977 after military service to set up his own company, City Securities Limited, which was the first institution in Nigeria to combine issuing house and stockbroking businesses under one umbrella. He resigned in 1979. He single-handedly decided to set up the first fully Nigerian-owned merchant bank, First City Merchant Bank Limited. This entity has metamorphosized to become the SW, a renowned banking conglomerate in Nigeria and indeed one of the highest banking institutions in Africa today. What was I going to say? I say that. A man of many parts, Otunba Balogun is a constructive, extraordinary philanthropist. The number and the extent of his work are too extensive to describe within this short time. But let me just tell you a few. In 1987, he was the first Nigerian to endow a professional share in a university when at the University of Ibadan, they set up a share for capital market studies in the Department of Economics and Finance, which is still standing today. He also endowed a research fellowship in the legal department of the University of Lagos. He has also been generously supporting a number of institutions such as Obasanjo University, Yaba College of Technology, African Leadership Forum, and many others. He has done great work in the area of healthcare, especially children welfare. He reconstructed, refurbished, and perpetually endowed the maintenance of the children's emergency units in the University Hospital Ibadan, named after him as the Otunba Tuwase Children's Emergency Unit at UCH Ibadan. In 1989, he was led to the Ijebu General Hospital, a fully equipped and air-controlled 40-bedroom children's center named after his mother, E.H. Bumi's Child Care Center. In addition, he made promotion for the perpetual maintenance of the children's center. He established Otunba Tuwase National Pediatric Center. This is to cater for the healthcare survival welfare of Nigerian children. valued moderately at 3.7 billion naira, which he had now fully donated to the Pediatric Center of UCH of Ibadan. He has awarded more than 300 scholarships to many Nigerians and secondary at both secondary and tertiary institutions in Nigeria. He is very well known to have supported many religious organizations, both Christian and Muslims, with substantial funds in their various programs. Otumba Balogun has been various honors and recognitions. He was awarded degree of Doctor of Laws. Otumba Balogun has been various honors and recognitions. He was awarded degree of Doctor of Laws, honorary of the University of Ibadan, for his outstanding achievement both in the field of law and his contributions to the socio-economic development of Nigeria. In 1984, the President of the Republic of Italy conferred on him the prestigious honor of Knight of Order of Merit of the Republic of Italy. In 1995, he was the third Olóyè Ọba Akérèdọ́lù by His Royal Majesty George of Nigeria. On the 9th of March 1997, he was the fourth Chancellor of the President by the entire President Commission of the Land. In January 1999, the Ogunzeyi University, now Obafemi Awolowo University, awarded him another honorary degree of Doctor of Science in Management and Sciences. In November 2000, he was conferred with the national honor of Commander of the Order of Nigeria, CON, Order of Nigeria, by the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. On June 22nd, 2013, the Uwa ruling house of Ijebu, President Otumba Balogun, at the head of the ruling house, the Ijebu and Obasanjo, he is a fellow of the Chartered Institute of Stockbrokers, fellow of the Nigerian Institute of Management, fellow to Chartered Institute of Bankers, former Deputy President, now Vice President of the Nigerian Institute of Commerce, Council member of the Lagos Institute of Commerce and Industry, Chairman of Primus Development Limited, and many others. He is happily married to Olori Abimbola Adeosun Balogun Ayola, the Olofin of Yegufe, the Ichmachi of Ijebu, and the Oba of Otoderemo. They have 4 sons who are all accomplished professionals in finance, stockbroking, banking, and legal practice. Your Excellencies, your Royal Majesties, the Chairman of the Otumba Council, Otumbas, the Secretary of Engagement, I present to you a 2-year award to staff of the plan. Commander of the Nigeria, CON, an accomplished member of the Nigerian Capital Body Markets, brilliant character and role model of entrepreneurial banking in Nigeria, a constructive philanthropist, and a distinguished church leader who has devoted substantial part of his private resources towards the care and service of less privileged in the immediate community and Nigeria at large. A lover of children who has built several visions for the health care, welfare, and survival of children, a distinguished author, opinion leader, and writer, and a respected community leader, whose contributions for the welfare of the community continue to be expanded even as it grows older. Otumba Balogun's commitment and passion to service humanity, his God and the nation continues to increase exponentially even as it grows older and ages gracefully. He has expanded his philanthropic and charitable gesture beyond anything that has been known of him and anyone else. It is my pleasure to present Otumba Balogun.